You can't make bricks without straw. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. You can't make bricks without straw. After understanding the meaning of this proverb and how it can be applied to our lives, it becomes apparent that the essence lies in recognizing the importance of having the necessary resources to achieve success. As the proverb suggests, just as straw is essential in making bricks, the right tools, knowledge, and support are vital in overcoming difficulties and attaining favorable outcomes. In our pursuit of luck and triumph, we must acknowledge that success rarely comes without a foundation to support it. Without the necessary resources, our endeavors may lack stability and effectiveness. Similar to a brickmaker who cannot fashion bricks without straw, we risk faltering in our pursuits without equipping ourselves adequately. To bring luck and conquer obstacles, we need to assess the resources we possess and identify any shortcomings. This could include developing skills, gaining knowledge through education, or seeking guidance from mentors who have experienced similar challenges. It may also involve cultivating a support system, whether it be through networking, fostering meaningful relationships, or engaging with communities that share our ambitions. By recognizing the significance of having the right resources, we fortify our path to success. The presence of straw allows bricks to endure, just as the proper tools and preparation bolster our resilience in the face of difficulties. With determination and the support of our acquired resources, we can navigate obstacles, triumph over adversity, and forge our own path to success. In conclusion, to apply the meaning of the proverb, "You can't make bricks without straw," to our in conclusion. To apply the meaning of the proverb, "You can't make bricks without straw," to our lives, we must recognize the importance of having the necessary resources to achieve success. Just as a brickmaker cannot create bricks without straw, we cannot overcome difficulties, bring luck, or triumph without equipping ourselves adequately. By assessing our resources and identifying any shortcomings, we can work towards developing the skills and knowledge needed to navigate obstacles. Cultivating a support system and seeking guidance from mentors who have faced similar challenges can also provide the much-needed encouragement and assistance. Ultimately, with determination and the support of our acquired resources, we can strengthen our path to success. The presence of straw allows bricks to endure, just as the right tools and preparation bolster our resilience in the face of difficulties. So let us remember the meaning behind this proverb and ensure we have the necessary straw in our lives to build the foundation for success. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.